Today I'm going to be swapping out the stock seat on my Indian motorcycle for an ultimate tallboy seat. This is the factory stock seat, and honestly it's pretty comfortable for rides up to about 1 or 2 hours. But after that, especially for taller riders like me, it definitely starts to get uncomfortable. I'm 6'3", that's about 190 centimeters, and around 220 pounds or 100 kilos. So for longer rides, I want a little more room and better support. The ultimate tallboy seat moves the riding position back about 2 inches, around 5 centimeters, while keeping the same overall height of the seat. You don't need a lot of tools for this, just a 6mm hex, a wrench, and I used an impact drill just to take the bolts out, but I always tighten them up by hand. So removing the stock seat is pretty simple. We just need to pull here gently and ease it off the rubber mountings. There's a 6mm Allen bolt right here, which should come off relatively easy, but I know I shouldn't use an impact wrench, but it's easier than drilling it with a screwdriver. It's the same procedure for the other side. Just pull it out of the rubber holders, and there is another 6mm right here, and that is the seat loose. Now the bolts are out. To remove the seat, you just have to pull gently from the back, and it just pops off. So here is a comparison of the two seats. The ultimate seat, you can see, is about 15.5 inches wide, that's 39 centimeters. And the seat length is about 35 centimeters, about 13.5 inches. Whereas the OEM seat is about 14 inches, 36 wide, and about 1 foot deep, which is 31 centimeters. The pillion is about 14 on the stock seat and is 14.5 on the ultimate seat. So you can see it's wider and it's longer. It pushes the riding position back for tall riders like me. Another important option that I really wanted was the heated seat. I didn't get that on my standard seat, but you can see here there's a plug on the ultimate seat which plugs into the wire harness on the motorcycle, which will give me heated seats. So here's the tricky part. It says that the electrical connection is under the seat, but it took me quite a while to find it. So it is not this one here. It is not that one, the gray one. It is this one here. And I'll zoom on in. The connector is right there. So I'll untape it and I'll show you how it connects. So this is how the connector fits in. You see there's a little curve on the outside, there's a curve here. It's just a push and a click. And now we have the connector to the seat connected to the motorcycle electrical system. That seems solid. The nice thing about my install is I can use the original hardware from the OEM seat to install the new seat. Notice I am using hand tools, not power tools, to reinstall the seat. You just repeat the process on the other side. Finally, we can finish it by reinstalling our covers.